Hey you guys, so I went to 7-Eleven to buy my lunch because I was craving for their 69 peso. Di siya focus. Oh, seriously. Anyway guys, that's a 69 peso chicken. And I bought it from 7-Eleven in front of our office. Here it is! It's crunch time! Yeah, it's not that big today, but their chicken usually have large cuts. For 69 pesos, but no drinks. Anyway, you're after the chicken and it tastes good. Already has free gravy and it's a lot of gravy. A lot of gravy. Bon appetit. That was Nezome, by the way. And since chicken is a finger food, I didn't really wash my hands. But that's fine. I really didn't touch touch dirty food. Free spoon and fork from 7-Eleven and 1/2 tissue. Oh my god. Let's eat. I love eating chicken by hand. Oh my god, she gave me wings. I said breast. By the way, I'm still giving away 1,000 pesos on Valentine's Day. Good luck to you guys. Gave me the wings part. I was asking for breast. Maybe she was tired. Let's forgive her, guys. Huge cut. I don't really eat one full rice. I only eat half rice every meal. I don't think I can finish this. My whole finger was black last weekend. I dyed my partner's hair using blackening shampoo and he gave me gloves, but there were holes in it. So I somehow dyed my finger black as well. I don't think I can finish this. Enough for me. Oh, by the way, I'll be turning 30 years old on February 5. So please leave your greetings down in the comments. And also, like my video, don't forget to subscribe. I can finish it. So don't throw away your plastics. You can always reuse them. See you guys in my next vlog.